Hi guys, so I'm setting my camera because I don't. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be mixing my slime, and some of these times I did off camera, so please don't be mad. I got my bowl, yes. First, we're gonna start with the small slime that I add lotion, a lot of lotion to. So let's just add it in. Okay, so what it looks like. Okay. I'm watching Friends, so don't mind. Next is this foam one that you've probably seen on Crunchy Slime, and it's green and it has foam beads. Adding them. Next are these two are the same. Oh no, it's stuck to the bag. Okay. I just wanted to get rid of my slime really fast because I'm running out of space to put them in. So this is like a violet color, like a little violet color. It's supposed to be purple and pink, but I don't know what happened. I don't know what color this is, so don't blame me.
Then if you add 4 cups of coconut and 4 cups of crushed nut and only 1 tablespoon of apple.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What?
Our FDA approval didn't come through.
Here it is. Time to add it in. Oh, I missed them.
Yeah.
These two are same. They're foam beads with pink.
Eat a lot of it while you were cooking, did you?
Some.
Oh, some, that's fine. Some is fine. Some is not a lot. So it doesn't burn when you eat, does it?
So here it is, foam beads. Yeah, that's how that is. I have a lot to let y'all know. Oh God, so this one's sticky.
Sound like coming to the phone, but my ankle's weighing me down.
No. Okay. So yeah, I have 4 more. Ew, one just got stuck on me. How rude. Okay, you can worry about that later. Next is a violet foam slime. Not very good because this was like first one I made and it's like super old and I've never played with it. So like yeah. So it's all over my freaking tush. I'm not gonna show you because it's kind of disgusting. Next is this purple slime that I call jelly. Like all these were made out of clear slime. Next is this green one I called Greenfield. Has foam beads. I don't want this to overflow. Oh yeah, that's what I did in my room. Next is this, oh crap, dark purple that's a little bit sticky. Sorry for the background noise, brother. And if you just saw a person, that was my brother. I don't want to creep them out. So, and here's this purple. It's really dark. This will probably look black, but it's, yeah, time to mix. Oh, you can just see the brown. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's gonna be so much freaking foam. And like, you can just fill out one hard slime. It's really weird. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. So I'm just gonna dump it out.
Like I'm looking in the mirror. Anyway, they're called pistachios. Exactly like pistachios, but they're made primarily of reconstituted fish bits. Here, try one. You're not allergic to anything, are you?
Cat hair.
Oh,
here's a hard slime that I really am bothered about. So, yeah. Here's like, it's super stretchy and my back is getting tired from sitting, so I'm not gonna film it.
See the size of his Christmas ball.
Hey, how much did you guys get for this year?
Yeah, we were gonna get 50, but if you guys gave more, we don't want to look bad.
Oh, actually, this year we just made him homemade cookies.
And 25 it is. You gave me cookies?
What is so impersonal? Cookies are someone really cares. All right, we're broke, but cookies do say that. I can see that. Here's the brownies with chocolate in them.
Please let me ask you something. Were these bunny brownies?
Yeah, essentially.
Like, here, I'm taking out
They had pot in them.
this slime. That's hard.
Hey guys, who else did you pick with cookies?
The mailman, the super... Oh, and the newspaper delivery guy?
Oh my god.
What?
I don't think you're gonna like this.
Oh, gosh. Oh, did your cookie smash in the sports section? Oh, can he did my crossword puzzle?
Yeah, but not very well unless 14 Across Gershwin musical actually is Bite Me, Bite Me, Bite Me, Bite Me.
Oh my god. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and see how big you think this is. Whoa! Okay. Oh. It stretches like... I'm so amazed right now by my slime. And if I just like pat my bubbles, it's because I like patting them and they don't judge me. So
You know, I mean, one day you're eating turkey, the next thing you know...
sorry for the background. It's so dirty. It's because of my room.
Which is why
So I'm gonna add a
kids are so
stick
relaxed
box.
this time of year.
And if you have never heard of these, if you don't live in America or Texas, well, you better come and get these. These are stick box. I'm gonna add one and see what's gonna happen. So let me just like stack some stuff because I really want like I really want a what's it called? I want one of those like those things that like where you can vlog with it instead of holding your camera like I do. Then yeah. So
Hey guys.
if you can see it, I'm just gonna skip it.
Come on, show us what you bought. You know you want to.
It's a stick.
Okay.
Can you like not see? Cause I don't know if y'all
This is a
can.
picture frame from Ben to my parents. They got some hers and hers towels for Susan and Carol. And they got this blouse for Mom.
Boss, that is gorgeous.
Yeah?
Look at these authentic fake medals. Tell your mom's gonna be voted best dressed in the Make-Believe Military Academy. Hey,
Now it's time to add the stick
hey,
box.
happy Christmas Eve. Oh my God, where did you get this?
Macy's, 3rd floor, home furnishings.
This is my
So
father.
there's
This is a picture of my dad.
Pete, that's the guy that comes in the frame.
No, it isn't. This is my dad. All right, I'll show you. Baby, I thought your dad was in prison. No, that's my stepdad. My real dad's the one that ran out on us before I was born. How have you never been on Oprah? Okay, look, see? This is him. My mother gave me this picture before she died. Same guy. screen with a collie.
It's like really dirty now. I'm trying to get slime off
Maybe
of
it
it.
was really clear that day. Okay, I have to talk to my grandmother.
It's so sticky. I just realized that. God, like, I'm so bothered by this, like, hard slime. Just gonna have to deal with it until my next slime smoothing. God, it's stuck.
Hi, Boo.
Graham, what you doing?
Oh, just updating the phone call.
Can I see the pictures of my dad again?
Oh. Oh, sure. How come?
Just, you know, to see him.
This is the one of your father in a meadow. And helping a little boy fly a kite. And here he is at graduation. Another graduation. Graduation.
That was so bad.
Is this really my father?
Is it video? Of course it is.
Ew, my slime just hard.
I smell smoke. Maybe that's because someone's pants are on fire. Now, in all the years that we have been grandmother and granddaughter, you have never lied to me.
All right, that is not your father. That's just a picture of a guy in a frame. It was your mother's idea. She wanted to know your real father because it hurt her so much when he left. And I didn't want to go along with it, but well, then she died, and it was harder to argue with her. Not impossible, but harder.
Guys, I'm gonna roll my steak into a ball. And I'm gonna see. Comment down below what it looks like. I think it looks like a meatball because of its color. Well, 3 races.
Last I heard, he was a pharmacist somewhere upstate.
It looks like a muffin, except for like, yeah. I'm really tired. So bye, good night, and have a good day.